Hello guys, welcome to another video this week, and today we will learn about subtraction involving zeros. And for this week, we will solve these 4 items here so that you will understand how do we subtract. Okay, so starting at number 1, we have 1000 minus 225. So how do we do this? So the first thing that you can do or you will need to do is to understand the concept of sharing. So another number would share numbers to the other number so that subtraction would be possible. Okay? So starting on the ones place, we have 0 minus 5. We cannot do anything about that except to share, right? So this number will ask this 0 here, and this 0 here will ask this 0 here, and this 0 here will ask this 1 here, because the concept is when this 0 will ask something from this number actually says, I don't have anything. So this number will continue to ask here, and the third number will say, I don't have anything to give you because I'm 0. So this 0 will ask the next number, and then the 1 will say, I'm 1, so I can maybe give you something. So 1 will say, okay, I will sacrifice myself, and 1 will become 0. So 1 shared something to 10, to this 0. So this 0 will become 10. Alright? But this 10 still needs to give 1 to the next number. So this 10 will become 9, and then this 0 will become 10 because it's sharing. But this number also, this number here, this 0, needs to give 1 to the next number. So this 10 will become 9, and this 0 will become 10. So that's how you will distribute numbers. Okay? We will continue about this topic or this concept on subtraction zeros. But basically, it's just kaya ko na bi. Kaya ko na bi. And then, wala mo kuyo mo. Pangay niya. Sige, kaya ko na bi. Kanang, wala mo kuyo mo. Trying to ask siya. Then, si Juan, mingon siya, sige, hatagan mo na ako. So, si Juan na himong 0 na hinoon. Nga, kani siya nga na Juan, nadawat mo niya ang gihatag ni Juan, so nahimo siyang 10. But, kinahanglan mo hatag man siya sa usasad, kay nangayo man po niya. So, mahimo siyang 9, and then kani, mahimo ng 10. And then kani nga 10, nanampoy siya ihatagan diri sa primero nga 0, so mahimo siyang 9, and then kani primero yung 0, mahimo nga 10. And then, mo stop na siya. Okay, last naman na siya. Gawas ko mangayo pag yung kaniya. Get it to be. Sige. So, we can proceed with subtraction now. So, 10 minus 5, we have 5. And then 9 minus 2, that would be 7. And then 9 minus 2, that would be 7. So, our answer is 775. So, this is our difference. Alright, how about this? Let's solve this. So, 0 minus 4, we cannot do anything except to share. So 0 will say, 5, can you give me something? 4 is attacking the fortress. So 0 would become 10, right? Just place 1 beside the number. And then 5 will become 4 because 5 shares something to 1. So 0. So 10 minus 4, and then you stop here because you don't need to ask. Okay? You stop here, and then 10 minus 4, that would be 6. Then 4 minus 2, that would be 2. And then 0 minus 5, this time 0 will also, or will continue to ask, this number will ask 3. Can you give me something, 3? And then 3 will say, oh sure, I'll give you 1. Then this would become 10. In 10 minus 5, that would be 5. And then bring down 2. So this is our answer. So basically, if you do subtraction involving zeros, just think of 0 saying, Kekubi. And then if the next number is still 0, so the next number will say, I don't have anything, I'm 0. So that 0 will also ask, can you give me something? Alright? So the pattern continues. So we have 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 is, we cannot do anything about that, right? Because 5 is lesser than 7. But we can share. So 5 will say to 0, can you give me something? And then 0 will say, I don't have anything, right? Because 0 doesn't have anything to share. This 0 here, alright? This person. So then this 0 will say, hey, we'll talk to this 0 and we'll say, can you give me something? And then this 0 will say, oh, I'm also 0, so I cannot give you anything. But this 0 will ultimately ask for, can you give me something, 4? And then 4 will say, okay, I'm a generous number. I can give you something. So 4 decided to give this number 1. So this 4 will reduce to 3 because 4 decided to share 1 to 0. So this 0 will become 10. And then this 10 or this number will remember that this number, this one, is actually asking for 1. So 10 will become 9 and this one will become 10. And then since 5 asked, right? Because we cannot do 5 minus 7. Since 5 asked this 0 here or this 10 will become 9 and this 5 will become 4. That's the concept. So don't be confused, alright? I know this is kind of different from what they are teaching in school, but this is really a way of understanding how the numbers communicated within themselves, okay? So we're talking about number language here, or what you call any number. So this is not 4, I'm sorry. So this is 15 because this number 10 here would share 1 to 5, so it would become 15. So 15 minus 7 we can now solve, and we have the answer of 8. 9 minus 2, this would be 7. 9 minus 3, this would be 6. And then since 3 do not have a partner, so we can bring it down. This would become, or our answer is 3,678. Is that clear, guys? I hope so. Last number, 5,000 minus 256. So the first 0 will ask to the second 0, hey, can you give me something? And then the other 0 say, I don't have anything. I will ask the number beside me. And then to his surprise, the next number is also 0. And then the next number say, I don't have anything. So let's ask the next number. And then 5, they ask 5. Hey 5, can you give us something? And 5 is, oh sure, I can give you 1. So 5 became 4 and will become 4, and this 0 will become 10. The first number that 5 shared 1. And then this number here will ask, hey, can you give me 110? As I've asked you earlier, and he said yes, so this one will become 9, and this one will become 10, and then this one will become 9 as well, and this one will become 10. So we have 4, 9, 9, 10. And then 10 will be subtracted to 6, and we can do it now. So 10 minus 6, that would be 4. 9 minus 5, that would be 4 again. 9 minus 2, that would be 7. And we can bring down 4. So this is our answer, 744. 10 or 1, 10, 10, 100. So that is the concept. So just put in your mind that zeros talk to each other, numbers talks to each other, and they share, especially in subtraction. So that's it for me, guys. Stay awesome, be a math hero. Bye-bye.